Filipinos to see.
Rhea, kailan ipapalabas ito at anong rating ng MTRCB dito?
Bukas na po. This is PG. Rated, sorry, I wanna confirm. I don't wanna make a mistake. This is showing na po tomorrow. Sana you enjoy it and you relate to it and you're able to invite other people to watch it with you starting tomorrow po. Thank you again. Love.
Thank you, Rhea. You wanna add something, Sylvia? Bumulong ka sa akin sa likod.
Yeah, and sana po, itong moving to, tama si Ate Ces at si Tita Nova na sana ito yung isa sa maging daan ng pamilya na kung magulo, maging maayos. And para din to sa mga anak na naging mabuting anak at naging pasaway na anak. Pareho to dito. Yun yung makukuha mo ditong lesson. So, good luck sa inyong lahat. At tara na.
May question pa si Natalie Tomado, Philippine Star. Sige na, seatmate.
Last 4 questions.
Last
Natalie,
4, okay.
May question tayo from Natalie June Lalin, from our content creator and from our students.
Alright, so let's begin with Natalie Tomado, Philippine Star. And then after the 4 questions, we'll begin the screening na.
Good afternoon. So, since nga na-mention ni Mrs. na yung theme pala nito is about a mother's unconditional love, one of the themes ng film na to. Well, I wanna ask your personal experience or kahit isang memory lang, personal memory, na you think nagpapatunay sa mother's love since it's Mother's Day a few days from now.
Ikaw daw, Tita Ces.
Abi!
Yes,
For
particularly
everyone.
you.
Naku po, marami akong ehemplo dyan. You know, but this is the short version. Not a lot of people know na it took me 7 years para magkaroon ng anak. Nagkaroon ako ng anak, 35 years old ako. To make the long story short, she was born premature. Marami akong pinagdaanan ng mga medical issues.
Hindi! Uy! Uy ka na? Kaway ako na kaway sa'yo. Nag-cover na. Huwag kaway press ko. Kaya kanina pa ako doon. Asan ka na? Uy ka na? Bye-bye. May ulan. Ulan. Hi, bye.